Yeah.
Aluminium. It fits.
Yeah, sometimes this happens. You reach down to grab your risers to get ready for takeoff and the engine just dies. There might be 3 reasons for that. First, you have a bubble in the fuel line, and as you reach down, the bubble just gets into the carburetor, gets sucked into the carburetor, and the engine dies. Easy to fix, put the motor down and check. Second reason could be that your engine is running way too lean. The low screw is too tight, it's too lean, way too much. And the third reason is that you have an air leak in the carburetor and you will need to rebuild the carburetor, replace the gaskets and the diaphragm. I actually have bad news. Most likely it's the third reason, which is the most difficult to fix because you can't do it on the field. But once you're on the field and it happens, first check for the bubbles in the fuel line, remove them, just push them with the primer bulb into the carburetor so your fuel hose is without any bubbles. Second, open the low needle a little bit, 2 minutes at once. If it doesn't help, open another 2 minutes. If it doesn't help, open another 2 minutes. And if it doesn't help, go home and rebuild the carb. Check the link below on how to do it. Stefan did a beautiful video, step by step, with all the tips and tricks, how to do it the proper way. So in our case, it was the easy part. It was way too lean to simulate this problem. We don't need to rebuild the carburetor. Hopefully it's your case, you will save some time. I hope this helps. If it didn't, please don't hesitate to contact our team, and at Scout Paramotors we will gladly help you. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you succeed and you will have great time in the air. So all the bolts are screwed in.